In nearly a quarter century of work as a personal injury attorney, I've had the opportunity to see people hurt in a wide variety of fashions. Everything from aircraft crashes to automobile incidents and even slip and falls and trip and falls. I'm Griff Tonkin. I'm one of the partners here at the Arthofer Tonkin Law Offices. Today, I want to take a minute to talk to you about the difficulty of proving liability in a slip and fall and trip and fall accident, and talk to you about what are the common defenses insurance companies for property owners, landowners use in cases like this. So, you're walking, you trip and fall, or you slip and fall. It's probably not obvious to you immediately after you've fallen and been injured what caused your injury. That's because you likely didn't see what it was that caused your injury until after the incident. One of the arguments that the defense is going to make is that you have an obligation to look where you're going. And while that's true, lots of businesses, for example, if you're in a retail facility, have things that are designed to distract you on purpose from watching your feet. You're looking at signage, you're looking at sales, you're looking at displays. These things are meant to attract your attention on purpose. Oftentimes you have a shopping cart that you're pushing in front of you, and that shopping cart obscures your view. That's why it's really important to take note and preserve the evidence as soon as possible after a slip and fall or a trip and fall case. If you retain a personal injury attorney, it's a quality personal injury attorney like those here at Arthofer and Tonkin will make the effort to secure security video footage, identify witnesses, and if necessary, go to the scene and document it ourselves. So we have a precise understanding of what caused your injuries. This is key evidence that fades over time. This evidence must be preserved right away in order to prove your case. We need to know what it was that caused you to become injured and whose fault it was. Important information includes how long the condition existed for. What does it take to prove that this thing that caused you to slip or trip was there for long enough that the owner of the property knew or should have known something about it? We also need to do the hard work of figuring out what caused this problem to exist in the first place and find out who all the potentially liable parties are. A quality personal injury firm like ours is the kind of firm that can do that work for you. If you've been injured in a trip and fall or slip and fall incident, call us here at the Arthofer Tonkin Law Offices today. Our consultations on personal injury matters are free.